Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to learn the query function in Google Sheet. So I'm using the Google Sheet. Okay. Now the query function. What is the query function? Equal and query. And why I'm talking about the query? Okay. So query function here. You can see the query function. So query function it helps to exact not exact, sorry, extract the specific data from range. Specific data from the range. Okay, so this the query function like work like the SQL. Okay, so we are simply understand how we can use the query function. Okay, so query equal to extract specific data from range. That's simple. Okay. So if you want to the extract the specific data from this data, so you can use the query function. All right. Let's understand with example. Okay. So here you can see the query function have the three parameters: data, query, and headers. Okay. So data, we know the range of the cell you are querying. Okay. So this is the data query. So query string like the something we are the write the query of our, and the header is optional, number of header rows something like. So what's the benefit of the query? So you can extract the specific data. Okay. You can the choose what you want, okay, from range, and you can the use the group by some. So I mean the all in one function instead of the nesting. Okay, so you don't need to nesting. All right, let's understand the with example. So basic filter. I'm why I'm saying the filter, so I show you. So we have the data, this is the data, and the name, age, and city name. Okay. Okay, and I want to the filter. So here I select this query data. So I select this data from the entire data. I select this comma query. Query whenever query function, we are whenever we use, we need to add the quotation. Okay, double quotation we need to add. So don't forget this. Always enclose the query in double quotation. Okay, so this is the so important. So double quotation. Here I type the query, the select. Okay, A column, comma, B column. Okay, where C I am the give the hint. Okay, equal, equal, and double quotation. Here I type Jaipur, double quotation, and close parenthesis and hit enter. It shows the error. Why? Because we are at the 2. So remove this, and what's going on? Where we stuck? Select A, B, where C equal Jaipur. Okay, I forget this. I forget this. It's my fault. It's single comma. Jaipur is come in the single comma. Okay, and hit enter. Now here you can see what I did. So let's go the formula bar, and here you can see the first we select the entire data and query section. We are at the query, write the query. We are give the dialog. Okay, simple. Select AB. We are give the instruction. You can understand instruction. Select the AB. Okay, where C equal Jaipur. So equal, we are using the like the filter. So we are basic filter with this way. So equal Jaipur. If I the change the Delhi here and simply hit enter, so you can see the daily data. So extract the specific data with the query function. Okay. If you want to do short, if you want to short the this data, how you can? Let's understand the another example. Again, the query function. Okay, data. I select this entire data. Okay, comma, double quotation, type select. We are giving the instruction. Okay, select A, comma B. A B. What is here the column name and age. I am giving the instruction and order by B, order by B, and here I type the D and ESE, double quotation, close parenthesis, and hit enter. Value error we are the facing because what's happening is here descending. Okay, I forget there's the descending. Now hit enter. Again to show the error. What's going on? Order by, I think the issue is from here. Hmm, what's going on? Query function B, now maybe work. Yeah. Now the query function is a little bit uh, a little bit the hard to understand because we are the give the instruction, so we need to properly give. So DESEM give the instruction to descending order. Okay, so here you can see the descending order the data. So on 35, Pooja 30, Neha 28, Raj 25, Amit 22. Okay, so this is the query function. So we did the filter, okay, filter, and we did the short the data. Here I write so filter and the sorting the data. So query function specific data extract from range. I hope you understand. The last example we understand with this sample data. So here the aggregation group by. So what I am trying to do, so I want to the total aggregate. So here I am coming here and query query function, select this query function data. So I simply select this data. So simple. First complete query. Now we are give the instruction equal and select, okay, space B. B because the we want to the aggregation department wise. Okay, so comma average open bracket C close bracket. Okay, and give space and by group by space B. We are working the query like the SQL. If somebody the SQL using, so they can understand. I'm the new in SQL yeah query, so little bit to understand to the something the error, but now I'm clear with practice. So here you can see the average salary. We get the average salary. HR average salary 26, IT the 29 from this data. Okay, so this is the aggregation. Average, if you want to the change here, so simply you can change the C is column one. Okay, so don't forget it. If I the sum here, I type sum and hit enter. So you can see the HR sum salary 52 and IT department salary 58. Okay, so with this way we can find the specific data from range with query function in Excel. So I'm using the Google Sheet and I shared my experience, my learning. Recently I find it. Okay, so that's it about this video and thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. Just see you in next video.